Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you the resolution of the Traction Tech Challenge for Mobile Software Engineering position. It consists of an application's arrangement to display the asset hierarchy in a tree-view structure interface. The challenge is in the company's public GitHub repository, which can be accessed by anyone. So it's not a private challenge that is sent only to candidates. I'll leave the links repository here in the description section. So let's jump right in. The only requirement for this challenge is that you cannot use an external library to draw the tree. So I understand that I should make it from scratch. But this is not the only hard point here. Once the tree can hold a varying number of nodes, it can be difficult to render all of them at once on the screen. Another requirement that should be taken into consideration is the fact that the tree must support a filter feature, which can cause even more UI damage, depending on the number of the nodes to be rendered. So, with no further delays, here is my app's initial screen. I've used this background video from Traction website to be playing during the app's first requests. Once it is done, I show this continue button to proceed to the home screen. If I hit on it, I'll land on that screen with all the companies loaded. If some error has happened affecting this load and my initial screen didn't reflect it, my home screen will be this way. This is only one more concern regarding the user experience because it is expected that the initial screen will handle this situation. And speaking of which, beyond the success loading scenario, these three ones are the expected initial state in case an error occurs. Well, moving on my home screen are presented the companies loaded in the splash screen. As you can notice, in the top right corner, I put a mode toggle button so you can switch between dark and light modes. The challenge requests that in this presenting video, I should click on every company and show the disposition of the asset it has. So, when I hit on a company widget, a loading state will start, and I will pull down this company assets and mount the tree with them. In the Assets View screen, I must be able to filter the assets either by their energy sensor or critical situation. If I want to search by a specific asset name, I must also be able to, by entering the text search in the text field displayed on the search header. Note that I can also toggle the appearance mode on this screen. If I touch on a node and it has a children, it will cause its state to change, to collapse or expand. In this asset disposition, you can see that the production area raw material node is being cut off the screen by the device edge. So for a better user experience, I put a horizontal screw for the user to be able to screw the tree content horizontally as well. If I hit on this back to top button, I can screw up again to the start position of the nodes. So basically, this is the test to be made, but behind this beautiful screen, there is a kinda tricky tree mount solution. Once we cannot use an external library to draw it, we must do it from scratch and in a performant way to avoid jinx. Because of that, in my solution, I show the node children on demand for a better user experience and also prevent the app from crashing. And that's it. All this code is available in my GitHub and the link is also here in the description. Now I must ask you to leave your thoughts here in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Consider also subscribing in my channel if this content pleases you. I'm staying here and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!